Hey guys, this is Mario. Welcome to the DLS Hosted PBX Quick Tips. Have you ever needed to work remotely or on the go, but feel limited that you cannot use your work phone without taking it everywhere with you? Well, in this video, I will be showing you how to make your work extension ring in multiple places. What we will be utilizing is called a mirrored extension. This is a copy of your extension that allows you to tie it to a separate device. Let's go to the steps to configure these, shall we? To configure a mirrored extension, we will need to go to the Users Preferences page. On this page, you're going to select the Add button here. Once the page reloads, you're going to change the type from primary to mirror. Next, we need to choose the extension to make a mirrored copy of. We'll use 101 as the example. We'll name it Chip Mirror. And here we can change the extension number to whatever you like. In this case, we're going to use 999101. We will then need to choose the emergency caller ID along with the device. Next, you're going to hit the Add button. And once this page reloads, your mirrored extension is now available, and you'll just configure this extension to be used on your secondary device.